Is artificial intelligence ready to create all artwork for this blog? Is the job of a graphics designer doomed? Do you have a knack for design? Are your skills in creating the perfect poster, flyer, or social media graphic unmatched? Well, guess what? You're going to be replaced by a computer. Artificial intelligence is getting better and better at creating graphics, and soon your job will be done by a machine. Don't worry though, you can still use your creative talents in other ways. There are plenty of other careers that need your skills, just think about how you can use them to help people and businesses communicate and execute their ideas. So don't stress, artificial intelligence is coming for your job, but that doesn't mean you won't have one anymore. All images on this website were created by an artificial intelligence. I know what you're thinking. Wait a minute, all images on this website were created by artificial intelligence. Are you sure? And to that, I say, yes, of course, I am sure. Why would you even doubt me? Anyway, as crazy as it may sound, it's true. Every image on this website, excluding the ones we have licensed from other sources, was created by some algorithm or another. So why did we go and do something like that? Well, there are a few reasons. For one, it was a challenge for us and we love challenges. But more importantly, we believe that artificial intelligence is going to play a big role in art and media in the years to come, and we wanted to be at the forefront of that trend. So what do you think? Is this the beginning of the end for artists, or is artificial intelligence just providing us with a new tool to help us create better art? Let us know in the comments below. If you're like me, you've probably seen those artificial intelligence generated images online and been blown away by how realistic they look. But what you may not know is that there are many different AI algorithms and systems for creating new images. So which one is the best? In upcoming posts, I'll compare 3 of the most popular image generation algorithms, GANs, VAEs, and see which one comes out on top. Stay tuned. Are graphics designers fatally doomed? Do you like playing video games? Well, you can thank a graphics designer for that. Do you like looking at pretty pictures on Instagram? You can thank a graphics designer for that too. Pretty much everything that has to do with visuals in the world today is thanks to the hard work of these professionals. But as technology continues to advance, the need for a graphics designer is slowly starting to disappear. So what does this mean for the future of the profession? It's over. See you at Adult Re-Education class.